Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty Through Your Eye. This is me, Trish, and today we're going to be recreating this beautiful look from my girl, Jackie. You see this palette? You see how beautiful this is? That's what I'm talking about, bro. When you put all in something you love. This is gorgeous. Anyway, back to the point. Just stay tuned and see how I recreated this look. So we're going to jump right in and use the color Credit in the inner corner of the eye. We're just gonna blend it in, not to take too much because it's very pigmented, and just blend it all over the eyelid. One thing I did notice about this brown eyeshadow, it's very pigmented, but it's not ashy. And there is a little bit of fallout, but not too much where I would complain about it. I really love this brown eyeshadow. Next color we'll be using will be the Supreme from the palette. And it's a very pretty pink, not too bright of a pink, just a very light pink, just to give it a nice transition shade. I really love how these two colors blend together beautifully. Next color I'm going into is the color Sponsored. I'm just packing it on. Make sure everything is nicely blended. Back in for some more Supreme, just to put some color back into it. I feel like when I blended it, some color went away, so I'm just adding it back in there.